In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your plan from the settings menu. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for, so you can manage your plan quickly and confidently. Start by opening the app or website and heading to your profile. Look toward the top left corner of the screen for your profile picture or initials. Click or tap that profile icon to open your account area. If your layout looks a little different, you might see a sidebar or a menu button in the top left that reveals your profile. Either way, you're aiming for your profile area. Next, go into settings. This is usually labeled settings or account settings, and it's where the key controls for your account live. Once you're inside settings, scroll down slowly and look for the section labeled Plan. Depending on your version, it might also appear as Subscription, Billing, or Plan and Billing, but the idea is the same. This is the place where your current plan and subscription details are listed. If you don't have an active subscription, you'll typically see a note indicating that there's no plan on file. For the purpose of this walkthrough though, I'll show you what you would normally do. When you see the plan section, look for the option that says cancel plan. Go ahead and click or tap cancel plan. That's the action you take to start the cancellation process. At this point, some accounts may show a short confirmation screen. You might be asked to confirm that you really want to cancel, or you might see information about what happens after cancellation. Simply review the details and proceed with the on-screen confirmation if it appears. After that, your plan cancellation is processed. A few quick tips to make this smooth. First, make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one profile. If you can't find the plan section, try scrolling a bit further, checking for alternate labels like subscription or billing, or updating your app to the latest version. If you still don't see it, switch to the web browser version, where settings menus are sometimes more complete. To recap the flow you'll follow, open your profile from the top left corner, go into settings, scroll until you find plan, and select cancel plan. That's all there is to it. Take a moment to verify the cancellation message if one appears, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your plan quickly and with confidence.